Let's say you want to make the ultimate whole food superfood drink. You better get shopping because you are going to need a lot of stuff. Peas, brown rice, and beans for protein. Lots of greens and grains. Don't forget fiber and essential fatty acids. And you're going to want plenty of antioxidants. Or here's another option. Try Nature's Harvest, the new great-tasting green whole food and superfood instant beverage mix from Nature's Sunshine. The only thing you could eat that would be more healthy than Nature's Harvest is, well, I can't think of anything.